Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Stuart's Garage. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done some more on this Hyundai engine, so I'll do a bit more, and the head's about ready to come off, and we'll have a look, see how the pistons are, and go from there. Woo! Head's off. Heads off, and pistons don't look too bad really. Let's see how much of a mess I can make. Whew. This will be good. So after lots of mucking around, I finally got the sump off. Problem was, what was holding it on was the oil pump, this whole housing thing here. So when I got this oil pump assembly off, the sump went flying, ended up face down here. What a mess. As you can see, I've got the pistons out. That was a good bit of fun. And now the daunting task of putting all these parts back together, and I've got them strewn everywhere. So all these along here, under here, and cylinder head, and we've got the sump and manifold and all the timing gear. It's going to be fun to line up. Anyway, that's all part of me learning, and yeah, I'll get back into it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Been a bit silly, but anyway, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll keep making some more videos, and I'll get this engine put back together and start working on that gearbox maybe. Oh, and if anyone wants to buy some mag wheels, have a look at these.
And if anyone wants to buy some mag wheels, have a look at these.
Someone please buy them.